The next exercise is Devinez les professions de ces gens. So we are going to define the profession of these people. So I have 5 sentences here, and the 5 sentences tell us what a person does. Each sentence describes the job of a person. So we are going to define the person's job. So the first sentence, je travaille pour Times. Je travaille pour Times. I work for Times. So this person works for Times. So what is their job? We all know that Times, if you work in Times, you are a journalist. So je travaille pour Times. I am a journalist. Je suis journaliste. Je suis journaliste. So the description was I work for Times. So what is the name of that profession? It is a journalist, journaliste. Now moving to the next sentence. Je fais les comptes dans un bureau. So I do the accounts in an office. So je suis comptable. So that is how we define this person's job. Moving on to the next sentence. Il s'occupe des malades. He takes care of the sick. The malade means the sick people. So who takes care of the sick people? He is either a doctor or a nurse. So il est. So if you notice, the conjugation changes. For il, it is a. Il est. For doctor we say médecin. Médecin, or he can be a nurse. For nurse, it is infirmier. Infirmier. Il est médecin. He is a doctor, or il est infirmier, a nurse. Moving on to the next sentence. Elle vend des tomates. She sells some tomatoes. So the profession is elle est vendeuse. She is a vendor, vendeuse. Finally, the last sentence. J'enseigne le français. J'enseigne le français. I teach French. So I teach French. So what is that profession? I am a teacher. Je suis professeur. So this is how we define the jobs. Je travaille pour Times. Je suis journaliste. Je fais les comptes dans un bureau. Je suis comptable. Il s'occupe des malades. Il est médecin. Elle vend des tomates. Elle est vendeuse. J'enseigne le français. Je suis professeur. So what we did here was we were given a description of a job and we defined the person's profession.